Hi there! Welcome to WriteMyAssignmentForMe.com YouTube channel. We are a professional writing team who helps with making students' life easier. If you don't know how to complete or even start your college assignment, you have visited the right spot. Our team has already gained useful experience and can share tested tips on how to make a workable college paper. First, review thoroughly the requirements you have for a concrete task. Yes, we know that is burdensome. But failing to meet any of these requirements can easily lead to worse scores you could theoretically get. The next step is to think well about your topic. In this course, it is important to pick some issue that truly interests you. This automatically makes any, even very burdensome, writing much easier. While making your choice, make sure you pick some options where you can find enough credible sources. In any case, you should research the matter of writing well. Of course, some assignments, such as research papers, require more attention to the sources. Some college tasks, like essays, need to have a good background only. But making a comprehensive review of your topic is a must-have precondition for successful writing. Even if you are very busy, try to find some time to make this issue solved. Another tip we suggest you follow while working on your college task is to make an outline. List all ideas that are associated with your topic. By the way, there is another good tip in this course. Make brief notes while researching your topic. You'll easily use those while making the plan for your writing. Formulate and place the main statement first and expand it using 3 to 4 supplementary statements. Later, devote 1 paragraph to each statement respectively. Having this plan nearby is essential in the course of writing. Of course, keep in mind word count, but not for your first draft. You may not limit yourself in this case. Expressing your opinion is the most important thing here. Yes, it is better to make a couple of drafts of your college paper. Professional writers do this and suggest you do the same. Editing is a must-have option for an amazing paper, by the way, that will be your second draft. Printing your paper is also a tested approach to detect some mistakes and omissions. For more confidence, always apply Grammarly or ask for a review from outside. It is easy to complete college tasks if you have a clear plan for that purpose. It is easy unless you are busy and have limited hours. In these cases, asking for professional assistance is a good solution tested by many students. We are ready to help you anytime.